Hi, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to make a tutorial about how to create a simple dialog system for our Unity game. I have this scene with this view. I'm going to add a canvas, UI canvas, and as usual I'm going to delete this event system, and instead of using that event system I will use my existing event system that I have here in my scene. UI event system, I use this one, and here I paste it here. Okay, here is my canvas. I'm going to make something like slideshow dialog system. I cannot explain it, and let me just show it. Here I will add a text. This text I will make it anchored to the bottom, and for the canvas I usually set the scale mode to this one, scale with screen size, the text center, and the size as well. Yeah, I will type something like try one. Yeah, just a sample text, and then I will add a button. I remove the text element, change the sprite to this arrow icon, scale it down, the button I will place it here, somewhere around this area, and I will create a script to manage the dialog. The text will be more than one text, For example, the second text will be this way, guide to and then the next text will be that one. I will add something to make it different, and this way. Okay, and what is next is to add this one for the next, and this one for the left. 79. I will change it to 79. Change the icon to this one. Okay guys, I will create a new script inside the scripts folder, and I will call this script dialog system. Let's edit the script. I'm going to add an array variable of game object. Public game object the text, and let's go back to the script. I will attach the script here on canvas object. Dialog system, attach it to canvas object, and we need to change the script. Just add a few lines here. Go back to editor to see the changes. Okay, we have this D text objects, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 text objects. So I'm going to click this plus button, make 4 items, and we bring them here. Text, alright, on the start, what I'm going to do is to disable all the text game objects. So here I'm going to create a function public void hide text. Here I'm going to add for loop for I 0 I less than the text count, the length, and I plus plus. To disable the text inside this for loop, I will the text I dot set active false. Alright, by default at the start I'm going to disable all the text. Let me go back to editor. Play the game. You see, we have all the text disabled. And the next thing is to show the first text. I'm going to add an integer variable here, int current text. Current text will be 0 for the first time, and then we show the first text. I'm going to add another new function. We public void show text, and it will take integer variable as parameter. I call the parameter index. So here I'm going to call the text and the idx dot set active true. Okay, and we call this show text here, show text current text, which is index 0, the first text object. I'm going to click start button. You see that we have this first text appear. To make it more readable, I'm going to add this outline component. I set the color to white and the alpha I increase it to 255. I copy the component and paste it to the rest of text. Paste component as new. If you want to see the difference now, you will see that the text will be more readable like this. The next thing that I'm going to do is to make these buttons clickable. If I click this next button, it should show the next text. The next thing is to make this button clickable, so I will create a function, public void function. It will be show next. What we will do in show next is to increase the value of the current text by 1 digit. Current text should be we need to add if statement first. If current text is less than the did text dot length, for example, if we have 4 texts, the length will be 4, and the last text, the index of the last text will be 3. So if the length, if the current text less than the last did text index, it should be dot length minus 1. Okay. Then we will increase the value of current text by 1 digit, and after that we call this show text. Show text current text. This is for the show next function. I'm going to go back to Unity editor and set the on-click list of the on-click add this function, dialog system show next. Oh yeah, before showing the next text, we need to hide all the text first, then we show the next text. Okay, go back here. Start the game. Right now we see this text K1 blah 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 blah, and click the next button. We will see this text K2, oh yes, blah 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 blah, and let's click the next button again, K2 K1 blah 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 1, and next K2, oh yes, blah 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 2, and this is the last text, I think. And if we click this button, it will not do anything. Now for the previous text, I bet you already understand what to do for the previous text. Show previous. I will add this function, public void show pref, and here we will do the same thing, but opposite. We will do the opposite thing the other way. Hide text, and then if current text more than 0, we will decrease the value of current text, and then we show the text. Okay, and let's play the game. Next ref. Oh, we did not apply the on-click listener. We did not add the list. Dialog system, show ref. Okay guys, here is the next button, and this is the previous button. And last thing that I'm going to add to this dialog system is a skip button. If a player wants to skip the dialog, player can click this button, skip dialog. And what this button will do is to open the next scene. Let's say the next thing that we are going to open is, hang on, as usual we will use this unit engine.scene management and a public void skip dialog, and simply we call scene. What's happening? Scene manager .load scene async. Next it, I will add the string parameter to this function. It should be the scene name, and we pass the parameter to this function, and we go back here, we set the button and click. Go down, add list, dialog system, and skip dialog. Here we type the name of the scene. I will type my scene. Okay, and I'm going to add this scene to my build setting. Then I go to my intro scene. This is the scene that I have made previously, and this is the object, trigger object, that if the card enters this trigger, it should launch this scene. Previously I was launching this my scene, and now I'm going to launch my scene, which is the dialog scene. And let me try the game from the main menu scene, launch the game from this scene. Then I will reset the game to make sure that the game starts from the beginning. Start, reset the game data, then I feel something strange with my computer. Hang on. I don't know. start the game. Reset game data and play now. We will see this intro scene, and I will pause the recording to skip this intro scene. Okay, I'm almost there. Alright guys, hello. Yeah, sorry guys for the microphone. And now the dialog scene is launched after the car enters the trigger, and we can read the dialog, and we will add, personally me, I will add dialog audio to this scene, so the player can hear the dialogue and also can read the dialogue text. This way the player can navigate previously to previous and to the next text, and also we can click this skip dialog button to get to the next scene. Also, I need to work on the lighting and the environment for this scene, dialog scene. Alright, let's just click this skip dialog button, and now we are here in this scene. Okay guys, that's all for this video, how to make custom simple slideshow like dialog system in our Unity game. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.